On the broad stage of the Earth and Stone Workshop project, the roar and progress of the bulldozer are the focus of attention. With their strength and precise operation, they continue to promote the progress of the project. However, there is another equally striking highlight hidden in this magnificent picture, and that is the heroic moment of emergency rescue. At this moment, our eyes are focused on a small truck full of earth and stone workshops. This small car, although the carriage is not large, but it carries a heavy burden beyond its carrying capacity, like a brave warrior, even in the face of difficulties, but also resolutely embarked on the journey. However, fate doesn't always seem so gentle. When the pickup truck finally arrived at the unloading site and was ready to unload the load, it was not only in trouble. At this moment, tension and anxiety filled the air, and the plight of the pickup truck seemed to tug at everyone's heartstrings. However, at this critical moment, a Inlu body flame stepped forward, and he was the Shantui bulldozer driven by Odechui. The bulldozer was like a loyal guardian, arriving at the scene quickly and accurately. His arrival seems to have brought about a turning point in this crisis. Odsui, the experienced driver, knew the urgency and gravity of the moment, and he calmly operated the bulldozer, holding the bed of the pickup truck firmly with his solid front entanglement. At that moment, the contact between the front wrap and the bed of the pickup truck seemed to be a wordless promise, a transmission of strength. Under the precise control of Auto 2A, the front wrap of the bulldozer is like a solid bridge, firmly supporting the small truck and preventing him from overturning. This emergency rescue is not only a test of Odechui's driving skills, but also a testimony to his calm and resolute quality. In the face of the crisis, he did not hesitate to back down in the slightest, but acted quickly and accurately. With his solid legislation, he held up a sky for the pickup truck, and just as everyone was looking forward to trying to unload the heavy earth and rock by opening the side door next to the pickup truck, reality gave them a vivid time. They carefully parry open the side door, expecting the earth and stone to slide down as smoothly as they wanted. However, the result was disappointing, only to see the side door slowly open, as if time had slowed down at this moment, and every pair of eyes were glued to the door, expecting a miracle to happen. However, when the first wisps of earth and stone barely slipped down, smashing on the muddy ground with a dull sound. Only then did people realize that this was only the tip of the iceberg, and the earth and stone above it were still as stable as Mount Tai, and they had not moved. This pry not only failed to solve the plight of the pickup truck, but made everyone fall into deeper contemplation. They are beginning to realize that this seemingly simple approach is actually hiding unforeseen challenges. At this tense and critical moment, the front shovel of the bulldozer made a deafening loud noise, as if it was a response from the earth, and also like a clarion call for victory. At that moment, the pickup truck on the northern line seemed to be injected with a new statement, and he moved forward slowly, but firmly. As the pickup truck slowly moved forward, everyone's hanging hearts gradually relaxed. They were applauded by Ott's applause, applauding his bravery and wisdom. At this moment, Aoti is not only a hero in their hearts, but also a spiritual symbol of their unity and cooperation to face difficulties together. The pickup truck finally got out of the way and regained its freedom. He continued to walk, leaving a deep imprint on the path of confusion, as if telling this extraordinary experience. And Aotong and his mountain push and push machine have also left an indelible mark in this emergency rescue, and have become the eternal pride and admiration in the hearts of everyone. This emergency rescue is not only a test of technology, but also a testimony of the brilliance of human feelings. He let us see how in the face of difficulties, people work hand in hand, face together, and write their own legends with wisdom and courage. And Otto Tun and his pusher are the brightest stars of this saga. This is the charm of earthwork, which goes far beyond the monotonous repetition of generalization. It also contains countless exciting rescue moments full of challenges and wisdom. These moments, like bright stars, dotted every corner of the project, making earthworks not just a boring job, but an adventure full of unknowns and uncertainties. On the vast stage of earthworks, bulldozers are the well-deserved protagonists. With their majestic strength and precise operation, they continue to promote the progress of the project, cutting the mountains and fields into slices of desserts. However, when the project is cracked, when the equipment is caught in one, when the danger stops. It is these seemingly ordinary moments that bring out the most fateful meaning of earthwork engineering. Rescue is an indispensable part of earthworks. He tests the engineer's uniform, challenges the driver's technique, and simplifies the power of teamwork. At the scene of an emergency rescue, every detail counts, and every decision can affect the success or failure of the entire project. Therefore, the rescue of earthwork is not only a test of technology, but also an attraction to human nature. In the process of rescue, we saw bravery and responsibility. The drivers did not hesitate to step forward and, with their wisdom and courage, brought hope to the equipment caught in control. They are not afraid of difficulties, are not afraid of risks, and interpret their responsibilities and missions with practical actions. At the same time, we also see solidarity and collaboration. At the rescue site, everyone is a member of the team, and they work closely together to face difficulties together. Whether it is the precise command of the engineer or the tacit cooperation of the driver, it shows the strong cohesion and combat effectiveness of the Shifeng engineering team. Yo-Yo television series exclusive. That's great.